Hi guys! Are you excited that Easter's almost here? It's just 1 month away. And we still have so much time to make lots of Easter dishes. The stuff that we need is 8 eggs, mustard, mayonnaise, pickles, pickle juice, paprika, garlic powder, salt, pepper, cracker, and some vegetables for decoration. Now it's time to boil our eggs and then crack the eggs. So I cooked my eggs, and now it's time to remove the white and the yellow parts. I removed the white part out of my egg, and now it's time to smash it with the fork. Now it's time to add our stuff. Mix it until everything's mixed well. Now it's mixed very well. Now I have to transfer it into our plate. I put my dip in the center, and now it's time to make the face, the hair, and the nose, and the arms. Now it's time to make the hair. Now it's time to eat and enjoy. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram, AZKitchen20.